Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video we're going to learn about using standard journals. So you go to Tab menu option, go to Journals, and then you click there and you will see an option there, Get Standard Journals. So these are the standard journals I've already made, so I'm going to make another one for an example. So you can put a name there as a code, so let's put today's date 03/01/2024 and example of standard. So the document type, you select whatever you need to. So for example, we take a payment. So for example, we take here an account. Let's search the account payables. I want to go for domestic payable. Salesperson, put the salesperson's code, and a general posting type. Let's say for example payable, so it's going to be from purchase. General business posting group, let's say domestic. Product posting group, let's say we want is retail. And amount, let's say for example 500. Balancing count, I'll say let's keep the same one, for example 82100. It's just an example, and we'll keep the same on this side as well, domestic purchase and product posting as retail. And payment terms code, you can say 2 days, for example. Which department is it from? It was from admin department. And customer code, let's say small business. So we made a code for this standard journal here, and we put the information there. So that means it's kind of a template as well, journal template. So if you want to use that again, you can you reuse it. Let's just do the settings. Yeah, so that's fine. So I'll go back and I'll say select, so I'll cancel this at the moment. So this line is not ready, there's no information yet, so I'll go to get standard journals. So I'll click this one, that will fill in the lines like that, and I'll delete this one because obviously it's not the complete line. And then if you want to change, let's say for example you're using the standard channel, so let's go to the second line and say we want to get standard channel or the same one, but we want different information here. Let's say for example 2000, and account payable, we're going to say that we're going to change the account payable to this one to probably not domestic, and can change it to, for example, foreign account. So it's going to ask these details again if you want to change it, or you can change the details, but obviously it's just a template written already for you, so you can click and you don't have to do everything. If you're consistently using the same account or same information almost, you can use it as a template. So if we, for example, we post it, let's see if it does post it. Just post it now. If you go to posted journals, you'll see the postings there. There we go, 500 and 2000. So just a little bit information about standard journals. You can use standard journals for transactions that are posted frequently with few or no change. I mean, a standard journal is a journal that is saved as a default set of lines. It can be accessed at a later stage to automatically fill in journal lines, and you can save as many standard journals as you want. And hope you learn how to use standard journals, and thanks for watching.